Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We had received more requests from the clients that they are not able to trade in the morning session because they are going for official work. So that we have come to another solution by introducing few more options so that if whenever they are free, that time they can trade. So in the advanced indicator MST ICO 3.0, so what we have added here. See here, in the select market type, we have added morning market, noon market, late noon market, evening market, night market, late night market, and forex markets. So these forex markets, test forex 1 and 2 are still in testing stage, but it is performing well. But we need minimum 6 month consistency, then only we will apply with our real money. Okay, so till then we will be practicing with real money only, but we will not encourage the customers to use the real money. And if they want to use the real money, they can trade in one lot. They should not dump more number of lots in a single trade. So that kind of risk management we are teaching you all. Okay, now what about this market type? What is the time we have to trade? And before that, you all know that we have given different types of SL, right? Tiny SL, small SL, normal SL, big SL, big 2 SL, and Forex XL. If you are selecting this Forex trade, then you have to select the Forex XL. If you are selecting the Forex XL, then you have to select the Forex targets. So the range will be small because the forex movement will not be the same as that of the crude oil or as that of the bank nifty. So that is why we have given this trade. Now market has opened, commodity market has opened. Now let us say people who want to trade after 10 o'clock. Okay, they don't have time before 10 o'clock. They want to trade after 10 o'clock. If it is so, then select the late night option. Select the late night option. See yesterday what happened? Yesterday, this was our late night call. This was our late night call. We had posted in the free group as well as in the paid group, same call we have posted. Now we know that market has to come to 6941. 6941. If it is coming there, we have to sell. If it is coming down to 6820, then we have to buy. So this was our expected level yesterday night after 10 o'clock. What happened in the market is it came exactly to our sell entry. The high made was 6942. Okay, here you can see. So I am just marking this high value here. Yesterday the high made was 6942 and our sell got activated at 6941. Now immediately we know one sell got activated. Now what you have to do? Remove the buy entry, enable the sell targets, enable the second buy and enable the second buy target also and remove the other options. Clear? So now come here, see here what happened in the market yesterday. Immediately our first target 6925 hit, then the second target 6910 hit, then third target also hit, and it went up to fourth target also. So now where to enable the fourth target? Come here in the extra targets option, that is central pivot 1. Go here and select first cell target 4 1ST4. See here exactly all the 4 targets have been achieved. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. And in the group we had posted that since it is generated late night, it is also applicable for tomorrow. It is also applicable for tomorrow. Okay. If market is coming down today to 6820, you can buy. If it is coming to 69, I will change to late night. Okay, now it is showing the current market, today's market levels. So if it is coming to 6946, or you can follow the 6941 also. Okay, no issue. Here it is 6820. So now whenever it is coming down to this part, you can buy. If it is going to that part, you can sell. So this is how you have to trade. Now I show you what about the Bank Nifty. Where is Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty market has just opened. Okay. Now what I will do, I will come here. I will select, since it is a NSE market, I will select late noon. Late noon. See here. Now market has opened here. If it is closing above this level, okay, 638,414, we have to buy. Now sell got activated. Now we are in a sell trend. Now what we have to do? We have to enable first sell targets, second buy targets, and remove all other options. So now see, I will enable first sell targets also. So now sell got activated. We are waiting for the targets 38,244. Suppose if SL hit at 38,416, what we will be doing? We will be taking double lots here and we will be waiting for the targets of 38,503. It is very simple. So this method is for the people who are not able to trade after 10 o'clock and they are not able to trade before 10 o'clock in the evening. Okay, for those people, this method is very useful, and this technique is called as late night trade. Okay, so if you are trading in MCX platform, you have to select the late night. If you are trading in NSE platform, then you have to take late noon. See here exactly it is getting reversed. It went up, but our SL was safe, and it is getting reversed. And another option what we can give you, suppose if market has opened gap up or gap down, then we have to give the some space for the market. In such cases, use other calculation, MST other calculation. So here what you will get, you will get some extra points. Okay, the entry will be little far from the our original entry. See here exactly it is coming down to our targets. It is very simple. We don't have to do any analysis. So I will keep in default settings only with the late night mode. Say SL was safe. That's what I'm saying. Here this was our SL, and whenever it is spot, so what you can do, you can consider this level as the zone. This level as the zone until the candles are not closed above this level and high of that candle is broken. You don't have to go for a buy. Similarly, until the candle is not closed below this zone and low of that candle is not broken, you don't have to go for the sell. See here, this candle, it closed below the level and low also broken. Then we can go for the sell entry. Now it is giving once more a retracement to our sell entry. So if you want, you can take sell entry again. And another option, what we are having, come here, we have given one 3D option. Okay, 3D options we have given. For a safe trader, this also you can use. See here, market whenever it is coming to 38,416 nearby, you have to take the 38,400 put option. See this perfection. So we have given all the options. What you have to do? You have to do some homework. So you just see whichever thing is working for you, you keep continuing. But what we are doing, if you don't understand anything, just simply follow the default settings. Hope it is clear, right? So now see exactly our first target hit. Exactly our first target hit. So this I have been recording in the live market. It is not the bar replay. It is not the bar replay. It is the live market we are recording. So in the live market itself, we have got the 100% sure profit and it is a wonderful trading system. So that is why we are calling this system as the advanced trading system. In this system, everything is predefined. Everything is predefined. You don't have to do any analysis. Simply follow the levels. Simply follow the level. Whenever it comes to this level, go for the sell entry. If it is breaking, go for the buy entry. That's all. Don't think. Don't have any second opinion about this indicator. You have to simply follow this. You don't omit any of the rules, whatever we have taught you. So hope this is clear. So I have explained you in two script. One in yesterday cases, yesterday scenario, that also we have got the targets. That also was the live market we have shown in the free Telegram group as well as in the paid group. And today I have shown you how to use the late night call generated one in the tomorrow also. So this is why we have to trade. So thank you all for watching our video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also subscribe to our Telegram channel, which is available for free. You will get all the updates. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead. See here, traders. So we are adding one more video since all the targets have been achieved perfectly. See here, we had started recording this video in the live market. Sell got activated and immediately first target hit, second target hit, and third target also hit. So all the targets have been hit within 9:26, just in 10 minutes of time. Okay, 9:15 market has got opened and 9:15 itself our sell got activated. Once again we got the entry at 9:16. So 9:16 to 9:26 all the targets have been achieved. So again you see the market is reversing from the our last target. So whenever you find a black color line, then there is a high possibility of reversal. So that is why we have taught you in all the videos. You can go back and watch all the videos whatever you have posted in the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you all.